Van life isn't always beautiful sunsets and peaceful moments with loved ones. Sometimes it's heartache and the nitty-gritty of the human self battling with the misconceptions and the ego of others. It's heartache and it's loss. A few days after arriving back in Cornwall, our friend Pete's van was violently attacked and set ablaze. This was a devastating act on a person who was just living his life the way he wanted to live. He now has no home. Pete and his dog Grace were thankfully not present at the time of the attack, but they have lost everything they have in this single moment of another's actions. The person responsible has been caught on police camera and now is serving a sentence in prison. However, please let this be a message to everyone that we are all the same. We are all here to have a human experience on this earth, no matter how we choose to live, who we live with, or where. So next time you see a van parked up someplace, take a moment to see the wonderful creativity and love that has gone into that home on wheels. Consider the journey that the person or people have taken to get them to being able to have these moments with their creation. Are they a family having a much needed break, or is it a young single youth trying to figure out who they are and what their path is in life? Or is it a retired veteran finally getting the peace he's been fighting for? Just remember, we are all souls journeying through life, and not all journeys are measured in miles.
How did it feel?
Sometimes van life gets a little bit shitty. How hard can it be?
Who says I'm a bloke?
Getting hard, yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't Becky make that look easy?
Well, you did all the hard bit, that's why.
Hold on. So all we got to do now is wait for said lake to fill up with water. Well, there you go, that was a success. Didn't even get wet.
Did you want me to get wet?
Well, I was kind of hoping for it, for the content, you know.
Woohoo, you smashed it.
I did.
Smashed it.
Smashed it.
And do you feel confident now? More confident?
More confident, but I think definitely less mud, less wind, because it was really hard to get it to go where you wanted it to go.
Yeah.
Look at my fin, it's all in the mud.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Must have got it stuck in the mud.
Dragging through the mud. But yeah, it was a good first experience. Julian was a great teacher as well.
Yeah, well done, Julian.
Good teacher. Came to the rescue. I was literally stuck on that bank.
I saw you
For
go
ages.
like that. I was like, oh my gosh, she's gonna go.
Yeah, just trying to nudge it out,
Yeah.
but it just wouldn't do it. He had to pull me out.
Make sure you give her a thumbs
It
up.
was like that. It wasn't very deep at all.
Yeah, but that's what you wanted, didn't it? You didn't want it to.
Yeah, baby
And did you
steps,
see
yeah.
Monty come in the water after?
No.
In the water.
Yeah.
Did he?
He actually went in the water to try and get to you. He was down there and he actually went in the water and he actually swam out a little bit.
Oh, he should have come with us.
Look.
With me. Okay, let's.
That's the first time Monty's ever got in the water on his own.
Yeah, wanted to come after me. Yeah, that is proper gunky. Hi. May the best men win.
Could be a part of an old boat.